Well, I'm a little bit late in introducing this video. It's day 70 of me and my sailboat Doxie sailing from New South Wales to Queensland. Here in Tin Can Bay at the moment. With a few problems with my engine mounts. There's always something going on. So, it's been a day of just doing chores and research and catching up with friends. So beautiful Tin Can Bay. Have a look. Wow. The silence is tangible. The view, not so much. I literally just crawled out of bed and wondered why there was no sun or anything. Wow. Absolute stillness. I think the sun is starting to make itself felt and burning it away a bit. That's just such an amazing, well, not even silhouette, but yeah, it's a beautiful picture of a boat. There we go, here she comes. Done one of my favourite jobs already, has gone around and chamoised all the clears. So when she comes, she will shine inside. Some of my neighbours now coming into view. And of course I've done the solar panel as well, most important. So talking to people and getting some great advice, I'm starting to get myself into the mode of understanding this more and seeing what I can do myself, rather than waiting for people to charge me gazillion dollars. Now I've been loaned this by a very kind person here in Tin Can Bay, just going through measuring the mounts, and that one's broken. You can see the bolts basically come out of the little cavity there, which it obviously used to be attached with it, and it's done a bit of walking around. So yeah, so I'm just trying to get the measurements, taking lots of pictures for some of the suppliers who may be able to either have or manufacture some new mounts for me with the without paying the huge aftermarket price for genuine parts, as they call them. Anyway, so that's what I'm in the throes of at the moment. My Volvo Penta 2003 model 3-cylinder, 28 horsepower. I know somebody asked, could I put that on there? I think I might have mentioned it, but that's fine. I don't expect everybody to watch every video. So luckily it's fairly accessible. Needs a good clean out in here too now. So anyway, jobs to do. Well, because I had such a nice day out yesterday, I better get some domestics done. Yes, been doing the engine, as I showed earlier. Just want to empty the water canisters into the tank now so I can take them ashore and top them up again. Okay, start off with these, and then when it gets further down, I'll just tip them in. But I've used less water than I thought, so that's good news. All right, that's fairly well topped up. I'll probably fit a little bit more in there, but not too much. So, we can bed that down again. Done. This should be a good spot. It's nearest the supermarket, so let's see how we go here. Here we go. We are ashore, and tide's going out now, so we should all be good there. But I just now need to find my way across to the supermarket. It's just in here somewhere. So off we go. Right, just one block back from the beach and we're at the supermarket. So that's really handy. It's nicer going shopping by boat than by car, I can tell you. An eclectic collection.
Thank you so much.
Okay, back to the boat. I don't think there's any problem with the shopping centre car park down here. Alright, here we are, back on the beach. I might do the water as well. Trying to toss up whether I go round to Tin Can Bay Marina. Top up there. Choices, too many of them. Okay, that little chore done. I might just go around to Tin Can Bay side, Marina side now. Or Tin Can Bay, obviously. Not obviously, but it is. Somewhere that away, so I'll just get out a bit further as the tide's starting to go out. Coming around points now of Tin Can Bay and going to go into Snapper Creek where the pontoon is and the tap, which is not so far from the water. It's right on the pontoon. It's a bit quiet today without the dragon boat races going on, which was the last time I came. That's done and off we go. And a nice catch up with friends as we head back to Doxie. And here's home. Yeah, so today was a bit just moving around in the bay and doing a couple of jobs on the boat, as you've seen. So yeah, more progress to come. So be sure to subscribe. This is Dawn Raider, out. Thanks for watching another Adventures of Foxy Doxie. As always, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. Thank you.